Hi, of course, Dr. Stephen here, and I just want to say thank you to a number of you that reached out to me after last week's little personal sharing about the previous few weeks or month that I'd been through, and things are starting to get back to kind of a normal now, and I'm doing okay. I'm down here in my study, of course, and I just want to again thank you guys all for giving me so much grace. Usually I'm turning the tables on that, and I'm trying to give students grace, and here I am the professor, and I'm the one who needed the grace, so thank you all so much. So this week we're going to pivot again back to the Lominger things, but not the two, three, or four competency areas that you identified. We're going to look at one in particular, and one that if you actually Google Lominger competency skills and the word agility, you will be amazed at how many things have been written within the last year because of COVID and so many churches and ministries having to really turn on a dime to completely reinvent the way that they reach out to people and what have you. And the idea of agility, and wondering if agility might be one of those competency areas in the area of leadership that every one of us probably needs to develop better, because I once heard that the 7 last words of Christ we're familiar with, and often on Good Friday you'll have services that'll focus around those 7 last statements or sayings of Christ. I once heard that the 7 last words of the church are, "We never did it that way before." Well, I hope that's not the case for all of us. I hope that we can use this idea of agility to be like the sons of Issachar and understanding the times, know what Israel should do, know the action steps, and be able to turn on a dime, as it were, when needed. So we're going to look at that a little bit this week. Continue on the one page per week reflection, kind of journal, diary reflection, which we'll collect at the end. And then in the next couple of weeks, I'll be sending out some specific information about the final paper. Not going to be long, something around 7-8 pages long, an essay regarding Lominger skills and your time in ministry and some of your thoughts about that. Everybody's going to do great. You guys are awesome, and I'm just so thankful and appreciative to be a part of you guys and the journey God's had in your life. So I'll see you guys in the discussion threads.